Hey, Happy New Year, everybody. It's early January here in Iowa. As you can tell, no snow on the ground yet. We do have a couple piles here and there from a previous snowfall, but hey, it's a beautiful day. We're going to take it. Today's video, we are doing some homemade sausage. This is a combination of beef and pork, so it's brisket trim and it's some rib trim. So stick around. We're going to show you a simple way to make sausage. See you in a minute. All right, gang, what we got here, these are fresh rib trimmings from today. I have a couple racks going out on the pellet cooker. We're not doing a video on that today. And then we have some brisket trim from some caterings I did this year for weddings that I had kept in the freezer just for this. So today we're going to be going on with a little South Texas Red and some Uncle Steve's Shake Smoke Bomb. I have done one of these in the past. You know, I like to try stuff before I put it out on video so I don't look like a total idiot, even though that happens from time to time. No comments needed on that, thank you. I do want to give a quick shout out to a couple different channels who really helped me along in the sausage making process. The first one is Chef Johnny at Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. He's become a really good friend over the years. I'm looking forward to seeing him in about 6 weeks when we go back down to Houston. Russ Jones, Smoky Ribs, has some great sausage videos, along with Joe from Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue, and last but not least, my buddy John Barton at Barton's Barbecue and SmokeWorks. Thank you guys very much for your videos. If you don't know any of these guys, please go check them out. Awesome channels, even better guys. So let's get started. First, we're going to go with the smoke bomb, and we're going to say about 2 tablespoons on here. A little more, a little less, I don't know. And then we're going to come over it with the South Texas Red that has some bigger flake, some red pepper flake in there, about the same amount. So what we're going to do, we're going to get this mixed up. If we need to add a little more to make sure everything's coated, we will. I want a good snap as far as the heat level in the flavor for these sausage. So we will be using a natural casing on these, and we're going to show you how to rinse those out and prepare those here shortly. We have about 4 to 4.5 pounds of meat here. It was 4 pounds, and then I added a little bit of extra rib tips to it. So we're going to finish seasoning this up. We're going to stick it back in the fridge, keep it nice and cold. That is key when making sausage. You want your meat to be cold, and your die and your head assembly for your grinder. So let me get this done and we'll bring you back. All right, everything's seasoned up with our South Texas Red and our smoke bomb. Like I said, we want to keep this meat cold. I'm going to let this go in the fridge for about an hour. And when we are done prepping our casings, at that point, I'm going to shove it in the freezer for about 10 minutes, 15 maybe, just to get a little colder so it grinds that much easier. I think you guys recognize my prep table here. All my white poly tables are in the barbecue trailer, so we're not working with those today, so we just decided to use a Blackstone as our prep table. And when we check this for seasoning later, this is what we're gonna try the patty out on. So let's go clean up those casings. All right, gang, on to the casings. What we have here, these are the High Mountain 100% natural hog casings. Now these are packed in salt. So you want to rinse these really well. Let me get rid of these. What we did, I have 2 casings here. Fairly simple to do, guys. Warm water, spread the end. You'll get a balloon of water in here. Flush out the inside. I like to do it twice after I rinse off the outside. Then what I'll do is I'll keep it in a little bowl of warm water. Keeps your casing nice and soft. So we're going to put this behind us on the counter. We're going to break out the little grinder and start grinding some meat. All right, here's our meat straight out of the freezer. Spent about 15 minutes in there. This next part is going to get a little loud. This is not a very quiet grinder. I will say this is a back 40 grinder from Fleet Farm. It's a number 8 electric grinder. So we're going to get this fired up. We're going to mute the sound so you don't have to listen to this thing hammer the whole time. But let's get started. All right, now time to mix. We want to add a little water to this to get the correct consistency. We're going to mix it till that patty will stick to our hands. So I just have some good old drinking water, bottled water. Members Mark, straight from Sam's Club. There you go. We're going to add a little bit of it. We're going to get in here with our gloved hand, get it mixed up. We're going to do this real well until we can grab a patty or grab a clump of the sausage and have it stick to our hand. So I'm going to finish mixing this up. And there we go. That's what we're looking for right there. Maybe just a touch more. It almost fell off. So we're going to get this back in the fridge. Let them spices marry a little bit. We're going to set up go from the grinding attachment to the stuffing attachment. We'll bring it back to show you that. All right, everybody, here we go. We have our cooled meat here. We have the casing already on. Spray a little canola spray on your nozzle. Just helps it slide on a little easier. So we're gonna make a little noise again. We're gonna turn this baby on. We're gonna get the hopper full, and we're gonna start pressing our stuffing mix out, our sausage mix, till we just see it at the end of the nozzle. We'll bring it back there. All right, there we are right to the end. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull a little bit of our casing out. We're going to tie a knot on the end here, which, to be honest with you, I really suck at doing. Too fat of fingers, I guess. I don't know. Told you I suck at this. Alright, there we go. We got it. So we're going to cinch that up. We're going to keep feeding in the hopper with the right hand. I'll use the left hand to gauge the size. We'll let this run for a little bit, kind of show you what we're doing. We'll bring you back when it's time to roll them up. Twist them up and link them. All right, gang, and we are done stuffing our sausage. We did link this off camera, excuse me. Basically what you want to do is start with one link, spin it away from you, measure over 2 links, pinch it off, and then spin that towards you. If you alternate away and towards you every time, they'll stay together without unraveling. Joe does a very good job of explaining this on his video, and so does Chef. So there you have it. Now these are going to go in the fridge overnight to set up and let them spices marry some more. We're going to bring you back tomorrow when we get these out on the pellet cooker. So we'll see you tomorrow. All right, y'all, a little live action out here at the pit. You can see it's after work. See if I can get these for you. Shadows are killing me, but hey, here's our sausage. We're going to go ahead and put these in the pit. I am on my Masterbuilt pellet cooker. I have it set on the smoke setting, so it's around about 145 degrees right now. We're going to let it go for a couple hours, then we're going to bump it up to 185. We'll give you some picture updates on the way. All right, here we are, finished product. Man, I hope they taste as good as they look. We're gonna give you a couple shots after these cool down, cut them up a little bit, and show you what we got.